everyone, welcome again. Let's quickly understand what is mutable and immutable data types in Python. Immutable data types are those whose value can't be changed after they are created. On the same lines, mutable are those whose value can be changed. For example, if you see a birth certificate, once it is created, you can't change a birth certificate, right? Your date of birth, name, cannot be modified. In a similar way, a blackboard can be an example for mutable, where once the contents are written, you can always erase and rewrite it. Here are the data types which are segregated as per mutable and immutable. So, list, set, and dictionary come under mutable, and others come under immutable. I've created an integer immutable underscore int and assigned a value to 10. So 10 is stored in the memory at a particular address, right? And how do we find the address? By using a function called id. Let's execute this. See, the value is 10, which is given by print, and the address is, this is the address at which the 10 is stored. Since integer is an immutable data type, I try to modify this data type. Let me try to modify this. Okay, now let's see. Right, if you see now, um, the value of immutable underscore int is 20, but the address it is stored is different. Okay, so it is not modified, but it is created in a new address. Okay, uh, so since int is an immutable data type, it is not modified at the existing address. Instead, it is created this particular variable in a new address. And what happens to this 10 now? This will be cleared by the garbage collector because it doesn't have any reference. In a similar way, let's take an example for an immutable data types. So here is a list created which have the values of 10, 20, 30, 40, and it is stored at this particular address. Now I now I append this list and add a value 50 to it. So I modified the existing list. Now let's see what happens. If you see now, the address is same. That means the same list is now appended by adding another value, but it has not created a new copy for this list because list is a mutable data types. Mutable data types are can be modified, and new values are added, or added, deleted. All the operations can be performed on the same data type. However, for immutable, um, you cannot modify once created. Thank you.